Very good evening once again. Now I am going to discuss with you stoichiometric calculation where we will correlate mass with volume. So you look at the first numerical problem which I have written on the board, and this is an impure sample of sodium chloride which weighed 1.20 gram, gave on treatment with excess of silver nitrate solution of 2.40 gram of silver chloride as precipitates. Calculate the percentage purity of the sample. What the question says, sodium chloride whose weight is 1.20 gram gave on treatment with excess of silver nitrate solution of 2.40 gram of silver chloride as precipitate. So we need to calculate the percentage purity. You all know when you have to calculate the percentage purity, that time what you need to know the total and whose percentage is to be calculated, the weight of that multiplied by 100. So let's see how we will solve. We know this is a balanced chemical equation I have written. So this is 1 mole, right? I will just write its molecular mass. You can see here molecular mass is 23 plus 35.5, 58.5. Here the molecular mass of this is 108 plus 35.5 is 143.5 gram. So you can correlate, just compare it. When 143.5 gram of silver chloride is obtained from 58.5 gram of sodium chloride, right? So you use unitary method here. You will say 1 gram of silver chloride obtained from this divided 58.5 by 143.5, and you need to calculate for 2.40 gram. You need to calculate for 2.40 gram of silver chloride will be obtained from how much gram of NaCl. So just simply 58.5 divided by 143.5 multiplied by 2.40. When you solve it, you will get here 0.978 gram of NaCl. But you need to tell about the percentage purity. So you know the total sample's weight given is 1.2 gram, 1.20 gram, and the weight of NaCl is 0.978 gram. You just write here the total weight and the calculated weight of NaCl, right, multiplied by 100, and you will get the percentage purity of the sample 81.5%. Next is volume relation. So how can you go with it? This is very easy. This is a question here. Calculate the volume of oxygen at NTP that would be required to convert 5.2 liter of CO2. So firstly, write the equation how to convert carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. Balance the equation. From here you can easily know this is 2 mole, 1 mole, and again 2 mole, because we have to compare here with the volume. So you all know at standard temperature and pressure the value of volume is 22.4. So you will say volume of oxygen to convert 2 into 22.4 liter of carbon monoxide. What amount of oxygen, what volume of oxygen is required to convert this liter of carbon monoxide into this? That is 22.4 liter. Means if volume of carbon monoxide is this, then oxygen which you are using to convert it into carbon monoxide is carbon dioxide is 22.4 liter. You are just comparing here 1 mole with 22.4 liter. Then volume of oxygen to convert 1 liter, unitary method, 22.4 upon 2 into 22.4. Then you need to calculate the volume of oxygen to convert. What is written here? 5.2. So what you will do, you just multiply 22.4 divided by 2 into 22.4 multiplied by 5.2. You will get the answer 2.6 liter. So in this way, you can solve the numerical problems related to mass with volume relationship and volume with volume relationship. Thank you.